Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Tracy, back with another video. Today I have I don't have anybody new, but it's my Tracy. Yay! We're here together. We're gonna have tonight fried chicken, Jordan's fried chicken actually, and fries. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Let me kind of fix it so you guys can see everything. And we both are going to try these pickles. These are from a guy that works with me, or well, doesn't work with me, but he works at my job and he makes pickles. We'll call him the pickle guy.
No, we're going to call him Pickle Rick.
Pickle Rick. Well, we'll call him the pickle guy. Pickle Rick, whatever. But look at that. So, after we eat our wings and stuff, we're going to try this.
It might be hot. It might be sweet. It might be
We don't
sour.
know. So, that's going to be amazing, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
So, let's dive into these wings. We'll dive into these wings. And cheese fries. Oh, I didn't give you guys a bite. Give them a bite.
You always got to give them a bite.
Mm-hmm. And a nice cheesy fry. I don't have a napkin.
What is that for?
What?
Mom, this. What is this for?
Me?
Then why did you put
I like
it?
the flats.
Oh, I like the flats.
Here. Let me do this.
More the dump truck in the flat.
Here. Look at that piece. I like the flats. But I will eat a drumstick when I'm hungry. This is Tabasco?
No.
I do.
This chicken already has seasoning from it. It's from Jordan's.
I know it's good, huh?
Oh. The lemon pepper. The lemon pepper.
I'm putting it on the side.
Hello, Moto.
So we're going to be reviewing the pickle guys. Pickles! Because I don't think he may not want us to say his name. So,
Pickle Rick.
So,
Yeah.
we're going to try this pickle. Together.
I hope they're burning hot so that my mom won't like
What?
that. If they're burning hot, I don't want you to keep them. I want you to
eat
give
them all
them.
to yourself?
Yes.
We gonna see.
If they're burning hot, I'm gonna be so happy.
Okay.
Cause you like, it's too hot for me. I need some water. I need some aquafina. You're gonna be like, I need some aquafina. Not my phone.
Okay. You ready to try the pickle?
What about the french fries? You're leaving the french fries lonely.
The french fries, they did not come with anything on them, but we put queso on them. So, let's enjoy.
Is queso supposed to be quesadilla sauce? Is it? Ooh. About to bite my ear off. About to be some Muhammad Ali. Nah, you're about to be some.
Mike Tyson?
Yeah, about to be some Mike Tyson.
Oh, I gotta finish these.
Up this piece. Are you eating french fries? I was about to say, because if you didn't want them, I'd eat them.
I'm sure.
Stop burping, that's nasty.
You do it.
You've never seen me burp in my life. Ever.
Well,
You've never seen me burp.
I never seen you burp. I used to burp you. Come here, burp me. Burp me. Don't do me.
I've never
Not the
burped.
one.
You probably burped. No. You probably burped and thought it was me.
I used to go.
No, you used to go, It's fine.
All right. Now.
Dang, Mom, it's a transformer outside.
We're not gonna do that. That's what we're not gonna do. You just wanted my stuff. You know why? You trying to be.
What?
All right. Go get You don't have no water. Okay. Ready for the pickle? Here's the pickles here. Look at that. I don't know what peppers these are in here, but we're gonna do it.
It's phenomenal.
Open it up.
It already smells hot. It's even open. Let's smell it.
Let's smell it.
Oh, that's hot. You can already smell it.
Ah,
Eat it. Eat the
I know.
whole thing.
it smells kind of sweet. Yeah,
Kind of.
kind of sweet. Maybe it's like a sweet hotness
I'm not seeing it.
from our pickle guy.
No. It's Pickle Rick.
Oh, Pickle Rick.
I'm Pickle Rick.
Pickle Rick's gonna come for you in the comments. All right. Is your plate ready? Are we done? Let me eat this one.
How you didn't?
Ooh.
It's not a worm, it's food.
Alright, we done? All
No.
done?
We're not done.
All right.
Step it up.
Okay.
Just because it smells sweet doesn't mean nothing.
And now,
You take the first bite.
I'm going to put it on our plate first. From Pickle Rick.
Yep.
He is going to get us in the comments. He's going to get me at work.
Yep, that's okay.
Ooh. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's get it.
Is it hot?
Mmm.
Mmm.
Taste it. Mmm.
You say mmm because you're like, ah!
Oh, I feel a little
No.
heat. Kind of good, huh? Tracy likes it. I like it. Mmm. Mmm. I like it.
Oh! Oh, jeez.
Kind of spicy?
Ah, that's hot.
No.
That's hot.
Let me tell you guys. The last time I had one of these pickles, like, Pickle Guy made.
Pickle Rick. Pickle Rick.
Made.
Get some water.
It was, like, so hot. I wanted to take my...
My wig
Ooh, I
off.
want to take my wig off. I said,
And
woo!
go. And you wanted to take your wig off and go.
It was so hot. But these right here, this is good. I like it.
You know it's hot in your soul.
You.
You know it's hot in your soul. You know it's hot.
No, it's not. It's pretty good. You want to drink the juice?
No, I want to have it.
Well, I want another one. You
Take another one. You said you want another one.
I need water.
See, you know it's hot to the bone.
Thank you, Pickle Guy.
Pickle Rick.
Now, I got to go to work, and he's going to be like, your son called me Pickle Rick.
Alright, because he's Pickle Rick. Not Pickle Guy.
I don't want to call him Rick. That's not his name.
But you can still call him Pickle Rick.
Call him Pickle Rick.
Oh, then I can't call you Mom because that's not your name.
You need a little bit of water.
Rick. Huh?
Okay, your name's gonna be Pickle Rick. Okay. Eat one of them peppers. The orange peppers. I get it. Here, this one. So you do it. See, now that's why I get it. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, excuse me.
Said the pig. I'm having another pickle though. I like these.
Well, you said you're gonna have another one, so the rest is mine.
You said you want another pickle?
Exactly. You had to say.
No. You got that pepper.
He's trying to kill me. He's trying to kill me.
Pickle Rick trying to kill you.
Pickle Rick trying to kill me.
Oh, you gonna be pooping? Oh, dang, I forgot we was on.
It's not. Ooh, you gonna be pooping? It's not like you don't poop every 5 minutes of the day.
Mind your business.
Mind your business. I can't mind my business when I smell it in my room.
Really don't. Oh, why we don't have no napkins? We ain't got nothing. These pickles good, huh? Pickle Guy, we love
Pickle
it. We love it. It's amazing.
Pickle Rick.
We're gonna need more. I promise you, I will bring your mason jar back to work, and we can reuse these.
Yeah, and once you make it super hot so that my mom won't eat it. So my mom won't eat it all. Do
We
that.
can't make it super so hot. They're delicious. We love it. Mmm. We love it. All right, of course it shut off again, but we just want to say
Thank you, Pickle Rick, for making
thank
these.
you, Pickle Guy.
Pickle Rick, stop.
Pickle Rick, whatever, Pickle Guy.
Pickle Rick. Pickle.
We just want to say thank you because they are amazing. Your pickles are awesome. And I'm sure you'll see me tomorrow or the next day at work.
Oh.
Don't even. But we will see you another time. My son loves your pickles. And
Pickle Rick.
your Pickle Rick from here on out. But otherwise, everyone have an amazing day. I hope you had an amazing day. Have an amazing night. And we will talk to you again.
We're gonna talk to you again, and then put up for friends, and then something.